Char Manao, yeah?
You would think ordering Thai tea, Char Manao, in Thailand would be straightforward, but just watch these couple of vendors making the Thai tea. This one starts off okay. You know, they dunk it 3 or 4 times, make it look quite strong, but then they add lime powder only. So this is obviously not going to give that nice lime taste in the tea. It is Thai tea, but with the lime powder it's going to taste really powdery. There you go. Yuck. Not nice. This second vendor, well, they're using tea bags. Now I don't know if it's Thai tea or not because it's in a tea bag, but it's not very strong. Everything else that goes in the tea, the syrup and lime juice is correct, but the tea is very watery. So it just shows, you know, vendors make tea in various different ways in Thailand. If you manage to get a decent Char Manao, you're very lucky.
Hey guys, how you all doing? We've got some tea, lime powder and some limes. Let's go make our refreshing Char Manao.
Okay, add 4 litres of water to a pot, turn on the gas and bring the water to a boil. Okay, we got a tea sock to strain our tea into, and our ingredients for our Thai tea is 40 grams lime powder, 1 kilo of sugar, 100 grams of Thai tea, and we need 200 milliliters of fresh lime juice. Now the lime juice we're just going to squeeze. When the water comes to a boil, what we need to do is add our 100 grams of Thai tea. Give it a stir in, and then we're going to let it sit there for a minimum of 5 minutes so it steeps and all the tea goes into the water. Okay, after a good 5 minutes, what we need to do is change pots. So we want a new pot, and then what we will do, we will strain the tea into the new pot. We need to strain it all as well, so we'll get right down to the tea leaves at the end and we'll give the bag a squeeze, strain all the good tea into our pot. Okay, what we need to do now is actually turn on the fire and bring our tea to a boil. As we're bringing it to the boil, we're going to add 1 kilo of sugar, stir it in, and then add our 40 grams of lime powder and stir that in too. Now we bring this tea mixture to the boil, and as soon as it gets to the boil we turn it off. and then we add our 200 mils of lime juice. And then what we'll do then is stir that in, and we'll just let it cool down. Okay, and then all we need to do is put our tea mixture in our serving jug, and then we could add ice to a glass, tip our tea mixture in, and add a slice of lime. So ice, tea, slice. And there we have it, a perfect Char Manao made at home.
There we go guys, Char Manao made properly, refreshing, light, slightly sweet, slightly sour, absolutely delicious. Made at home properly. Guys, if you like what we're doing, showing you and making real-time food, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Cheers.